Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the V-shaped ball splitter by the Bonus collection. So let's get started. So this is the V-shape ball splitter itself. And the Bonus V-shaped ball splitter is a silicone toy that separates the balls. This sex toy is worn around the base of the penis, and the small rings are worn around the testicles, and therefore produce a pulling and squeezing sensation. As you can see, the ball splitter is adjustable with these clip fasteners, so you can decide how tight you want it to be. It's very simple and easy to use, so it has the perfect fit for you. The material is made of a soft silicone, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin, and it's also slightly stretchy. Now, when using the V-shaped ball splitter, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean the toy after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the V-shaped ball splitter by the Bonus collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.